Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to fix keyboard not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix keyboard not working on your laptop, the first thing that you can do is restart your laptop. Today we simply click on the start menu and then click on the power button right here, then select restart. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary glitches. Then next method is followed by checking keyboard connections. Make sure the keyboard is properly connected via USB or Bluetooth. If it's not working, simply try another USB port or repair Bluetooth. Then next method is enable keyboard in devices. What you need to do is just simply hover over your start menu, then right click on it, then inside the options select the device manager. Then once you're inside the device manager, simply select keyboards right here and press on the drop down menu. Then simply select the standard PS2 keyboard, which is your laptop's keyboard. Right click on it and then simply click on update driver, and then simply select search automatically for drivers. And then if that doesn't work, simply head over back, uninstall the device by simply right click on it and then selecting uninstall device. And once that's done, restart your laptop and Windows would reinstall the driver. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.